time to record. I am currently traveling, so I'm not in my usual spot. The last time I tried to do this, I ended up recording music. I don't know how I did that. Let's see if today goes better. So let's do today CSS Battle on CSSBattle.dev. Oh, isn't that great? Isn't that great? I love it. Keep it simple. The shape is, it's a, let's do it today. We're just gonna make that little guy, and then we're gonna do, no. So I find myself wanting to do box shadows, but actually that's a lot more work. So let's not do that. We're gonna do exactly what we did yesterday, which is the nested template, which is twisting and turning the HTML element and body element using margins, and then I will use a conic gradient 6, 7, 8, and then what, 10, 11, 12, no, is it just 7? 7 is perfect. Okay, so then yesterday I did a repeating conic gradient. Today I'll just do a regular conic gradient. And what that is I'll just do blacks to begin, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0. And I just want to create the repeating part. So background conic gradient, black, okay. And I need to do a conic gradient. What am I doing wrong? I'm doing something wrong, aren't I? I need an extent of some kind, and there it is, and 0. Oh, I'm doing something wrong. What am I doing wrong? I actually don't see it. Maybe I should do a repeating conic gradient, because I'm definitely not doing what I want there. Okay, so let's act as though I were actually coding this rather than messing around, because I'm definitely off my game. That's not showing anything. What if I nuke that and say red? Okay, great. How about conic gradient? Red, blue. Okay, so whatever I was doing wrong I did not see, and that is not a good sign for me doing these when I'm traveling. But it's all good. Okay, so I got the all right, so let's set some size. We'll set no repeat. We'll set the background position at the top corner, 0, 0, and then set a width, and then a height of 60 pixels or something. Okay, so it needs to be taller. So all I want to do, 2, 8, 100, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, great, and then a little wider. How about 150, 60, 70? Okay, and then we do an at. It's probably going to be at 20 pixels, 80 pixels or something. Maybe 25 pixels, maybe 30 pixels. Okay, that's the shape. I want to let it repeat, and I want to see completely consistent diff, and I do. If that's true, then I can turn the red into transparent, and that transparent, I could use the keyword transparent. I could, but isn't it faster to do 0, 0, 0, 0? It is. And then I just need white. That's just plain white. FFF, and that ought to be a winner. Let's see if it is a winner. If it is, then I can get on with my traveling. And it is, so I can get on with my traveling. I actually have, I'm showing some art, a little show called Woka. I'm really proud to be doing that with some friends of mine, and hopefully that'll be fun. And I'll submit a final answer. And that is a final answer. Thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me as I struggled today. And you should see the menu. I'm using OBS to stream. I don't talk about the techniques I use to stream, but OBS is a great program that nonetheless I'm still learning. Always new stuff to learn. Go make a web page. Have a great day. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Kindness is in short supply. Try to be kind and really go make that web page. All right. Bye.